This is my original knitting doll that I called Elizabeth when I was a little kid. I would like some opinions on what you think about restoring her. Now, I took her everywhere with me, everywhere. But if I don't want to sand off that layer of paint, because if I do, she's got unusual markings. Like this black stripe, her coat is off center. You can barely still see her face, but I think I can pull it out. You see how the flesh tint is chipped? And then she has very unusual black markings for curls on yellow hair. Now the yellow and the blue and the red on the top, I'm not worried about. But I'm looking for any kind of suggestions. I have really good acrylic paint. I can just paint over this. But of course, it's going to show. They must have put like 3 or 4 layers on this before. And I think it's going to show bumpy. So any opinions on this are appreciated. I don't want to ruin her, but at the same time, I'd like to get at least her face back. And I'd like to be able to use her, so I don't want to keep rubbing her coat off or the colors off. Thanks.